Hey everybody, John with Modlite here, bringing you guys a quick video on our newest product, Snap. Snap is a toolless mounting solution for your Modbutton Lite. The idea for Snap was born out of the need to swap batteries without tools when mounting a Modbutton Lite behind a laser. Snap allows you to quickly change the location of your Modbutton Lite on your handguard, and also features raised guards on the sides to protect the switch from negligent discharging of the rifle light. When you order Snap, you can either get a dual or a single lead, and they come in black and FDE. Alright, so let's real quick go over how to install Snap. First, we're going to decide how we want our cable routed. Snap has a slot for your Modbutton Lite cable, so you can route the cable on the left or the right side of your handguard. Before we put Snap on the rail, we have to install our switch or switches into the mount. Once you know where you want your cable, say it's on the left, you'll put your cable through the Snap and route the cable through the slot. This is going to help mitigate excess stress that gets put on the cable. Once you have the cable through the slot, you can then feed one side of the switch into the mount and then press down and it'll snap right in. For the dual Snap, you'll follow the same steps, and Snap will also work with the dual lead Modbutton Lite. Alright, now that we've got our switch in, we can install Snap onto the rail. Take care to mount Snap by applying the slotted side to the rail first, making sure that the lugs are lined up with your Picatinny rail, and then slowly applying pressure until you feel Snap literally snap on to the other side. Installing Snap this way will increase the longevity of your mount. You'll follow the same steps if you're using a single Snap. Throw the slotted side onto your handguard first, and then slowly press, and you'll feel it snap on. It's a really convenient way to mount switches, especially if you're running a laser. You can easily take it off, pop your battery cap off, swap batteries, screw it back on, and then get your switches back to where you want them. Just like that. Be sure to check for function, make sure the cables are routed where you want them, and you're good to go. All right guys, that's Snap. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.